The solar system installation rush is in full swing. Modules are in short supply. Prices are rising. Sometimes we have no choice but to change models for quick delivery. PV Master helps you quickly redesign the project. Smart layout. Select an available model. Then the software will automatically adjust the layout. You can easily add or remove modules with one click. Optimized capacity. You can maximize installed capacity by 3 ways. First, drag to adjust. Simply move the readout to find the best roof layout. Second, fine-tune row spacing and alignment. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Third, optimize tilt and orientation. Maximize panel installation and energy yield. Fast reports. Need to renegotiate with your client? PV Master generates everything you need. 2D layout. 3D model. Design comparison. ROI and investment reports. Project proposal. Time is money. Boost efficiency with PV Master. Stay ahead in the solar rush. Want to know more? Send us a message.